Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Mimi Papyrus. Today I'd like to talk to you about clear blocks, why I love them and how to clean them. So let's get started. Today I want to talk to you about the clear blocks. I use them all the time. I have the Stamparatus. I use that as well and I love it. But my go-to is always the clear block for my polymer stamps and for my rubber stamps. But of course, clear blocks get dirty. And today I want to talk to you about why I like the clear blocks and how to clean them. So first let me show you the difference between a cheaper block that you can get online and the Stampin' Up! Block here. Look how thick this is. And look at the rounded edges here compared to these that are really sharp and hurt your fingers. So this I don't like. These you can use and they're very comfortable. You fit your fingers on the side. They also have a letter. Each size of block has a letter. And when you look at the stamp sets in the catalog, you will see which blocks you need for that particular stamp set. So that's a good tip to have. You may find them a little more expensive than buying cheap blocks online, but if you just get one at a time, every time you order, you'll work up a collection in no time and they last forever. So how to clean them? See, this one is really dirty. It's got ink and it's got glue on it. So I grab a baby wipe and I just start cleaning it with the baby wipe. You see how dirty it gets. Now I said there was a bit of glue residue on this one. So to help with the glue residue, I use this 50% rubbing alcohol on my baby wipe. And I just keep giving it a good rub. The reason you need them to be squeaky clean is to not let the oils from your skin stay on the block, and that might prevent some of your stamps from sticking properly. So it's nice to have them nice and clean and dry. So after I'm done, I just dry it here. There's still a bit of glue residue here. So I'm going to try some Goo Gone. That should do the trick. And yes, it does. So just a baby wipe. If that doesn't work, some rubbing alcohol. And if that doesn't work, the Goo Gone. And you just need just a little squirt. Then you just dry it nicely and you're good to go. Another tip is that you can take all your blocks and put them in the dishwasher. That'll save you a lot of trouble if you have a lot to clean. So that was my tip for today. I hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you next time.